A very good morning to all my dear lovely students. Welcome you all to yet another class of lesson number 13, Tanya Visits Tanali. Right? So my dear students, in our first class we have already learned about the chapter, what the chapter is about, right? And also we have done the reading portion of it. We have learned how to read a text. Right, as I always emphasize that you need to read a text with a very proper pronunciation, with the correct voice modulation. Am I right? Yeah. So moving towards today's class, today I'll be explaining you the chapter Tanya Visits Tanali. Before moving to the explanation part, let's check out what is the objective of today's class. So coming towards the objective, the main objective of today's class is that the students will be able to enlighten their own creativity by exploring one's thought. So you'll be able to know how you can create more new things with the help of your own imaginations. Yes, with your own thoughts, right? So sometimes it happens that we are sitting, we are observing something, but we are not thinking about it. Our mind moves on other things. It revolves in other things, and we create a beautiful world inside our own mind, inside our own thoughts, right? So let's check out what we have in Tanya Visit Tanali. So my dear students, please take out lesson number 13, that is Tanya Visits Tanali. So I'm going to read out the chapter one more time. So what you are going to do, you are going to put your index finger to the lines that I'll be reading, and then I'll be explaining the chapter. I visited Kulu Manali during the Dashera holidays. I saw the famous temple, and Shivani went on and on about the places she had visited, the food she ate, the hotel she stayed in, and the fun she had. Tanya smiled at her classmate, but she secretly wished that Shivani would stop her chatter. How Tanali wished to go on holidays like Shivangi did. She wanted to visit all those far-off places with her parents, but Tanya knew that this was not possible. Her parents worked very hard in a factory. They were not allowed to take even a single holiday. Tanya, so like last time, this time too? Shivangi asked Tanya. No, this time we went on a holiday to a very beautiful place called Tanali. Shivangi was surprised. Tan, what? Just then the bell rang. Shivangi, I will be late for my bus. I'll tell you everything tomorrow. Bye. So where is Tanali? Rohan, Tanya's elder brother, asked her. There is no Tanali. It is just my imagination. In our minds, we can create anything we like, right? Answered Tanya. Come and sit here with me, said Rohan. He had taken out an old red rug from the storeroom. This is our magic carpet. On this magic carpet, we can fly to the land of your dreams. Tanali. Tanya's face suddenly brightened. She jumped onto the carpet and sat down next to her brother. Okay, close your eyes, he said. Magic carpet, take us to Tanali, said Rohan loudly. What do you see in Tanali, Princess Tanya? I see jungles, lions and snakes. Look, I see mountains up there. I see a desert below, and I see sea next to the desert. Rohan was confused. How can the mountains, desert and sea all be in one place? They can be. Tanali can be whatever Tanya wants it to be. It's Tanya's Tanali, said Tanya with confidence. So, what do you see now? I see and smell the most delicious food in Tenali. Chaat, pakodi, laddus, biryani, kheer. What a place Tenali is, said Rohan. Yes, it is much better than Shivangi's Manali. I have explored the world on my magic carpet. No one has a magic carpet like me. Who has an imagination like Tanya? Asked Rohan. No one but me. Tanya kept clapping her hands and dancing around the red rug. Written by Survi Sharma. So, did you like it? So, which is your favorite place? Do you have any Tenali like Tanya? Yeah, we have, right? We have many thoughts. Sometimes in the dreams, even you ride the biggest, the tallest horse. Yeah, or also you can fly over the mountains. Yes or no? So we have different types of thoughts, and we are very happy. Sometimes you can see many people who are sitting quietly, but they are smiling. Yes or no? They are sitting in a corner, but even then they are having the most peaceful face. They are smiling at something. Who knows? That's their Tenali, right? Okay. So my dear student, it's a very beautiful story about a brother and a sister and the sister's imagination, where she has created her own world, her own place where she visited, and she has seen all the most beautiful places, most beautiful things, and also she ate most delicious food too, right? So yes, Tanya, a small girl, okay, she used to go to school, and after summer break, when all of you come to school, every teacher asks you, where did you go? Can you just describe about the place that you have visited? Right? Yes or no? Yes. So in the same way, when Tanya went to school after the holidays, so the teacher asks everyone, so where did you go? Which is the place that you have visited? And Shivangi stood first. Shivangi is the classmate of Tanya. So she said that this time in this holiday she went to Manali. It's very beautiful. She has seen all the beautiful things in there, and she kept on going and going. Okay, she was just telling about everything, where she stayed, what she had taken there, what she saw there, everything. Okay, and in there Tanya literally wanted that, oh Shivani, please stop it now. Okay, she did not say that, but she wanted Shivangi to stop. She wanted her to stop because her mom and dad works in a factory, and it was very hard for her parents to get a single holiday. So in every holidays, in every school break, they plan to go, but as their parents don't get any holidays, they had to skip their plan. Yes, so when Shivangi was telling about her holidays, how she spent it, she was literally feeling very bad. She was feeling low. That okay, Shivangi, this time too she went for her holiday. She went to a new place. But as every time I couldn't go. But she did not show that in her face. She was thinking inside her. Okay, and at that time when she stopped, she asked Tanya, okay Tanya, as every year, this time too, I hope you didn't go to anywhere. So she was just teasing Tanya. So when Shivangi asked all these things, when she was asking this to Tanya did not feel good. So this time she thought that I'm not going to tell anything. Rather, I'll tell her what I have in my mind. So she said that no, this time I went to a holiday to a very beautiful place, and the name of the place is Tenali. Shivangi was surprised. What is Tenali now? Yes, so she can't even spell it properly. She said, Tan, what? I haven't heard about this place. In the meantime, the bell goes, and they are about to leave for their house. Tanya told, okay, not today, I'll tell you some other day, as I'll be getting late for my buses. So I'll tell you some other day. But Rohan, Tanya's brother, he overhears what Tanya was telling to Shivangi. Okay, and he said, what, Tanali? Where is it? Yes, is that a place? Then she said, no brother, it's not. It's the place which I have created. It's my place. Yes, and she went home. Her brother was very pleased. Her brother wanted to console, and also he tries to make his sister happy. Okay, so Rohan thought that why not to create that place. So he went to the storeroom and he brought an old red rug, and he asked his sister that, Tanya, why don't you come? I have a magic carpet with me. Let's visit to your own place, which is Tanali. Yes, and he commands the red carpet, the old red carpet, to take them to the place which was Tanali. Right, and he command, oh red rug, please take us to where? Tanali. Take Princess Tanya to Tanali. Got it? So in such, they just had the very beautiful moment. Rohan asked, so what do you see in your beautiful place? He said, I can see everything. I can see beautiful, beautiful things here. And she said, it has beautiful mountains, it has desert, it has sea. And also, she says that she saw jungles, lions and snakes. Listening to all these things, Rohan said that how can you get mountains, again desert and sea together? It's not possible, right? It's desert means what? Because there are no plantation, there are no plants, right? So when there are no plants, how can there be sea? Yes or no? So Rohan was confused. But Tanya said, why can't it be? It's after all Tanya's Tanali. Everything can be in Tanali. Got it? And then Rohan smiled and he was happy that at least Tanya was happy with her own imagination. Although he was confused, but he was happy to see his sister happy. Then he again asked, so Tanya, what do you see now? She said that I have tasted here many beautiful things. I have tasted here pakoris, I have tasted here laddus, I have tasted here chaat, and also she just got the smell of biryani and kheer. Yeah, and Rohan said, wow, what a beautiful place it is, where you can smell all the delicious food. Yes, so she said, yes, it's very beautiful, it's much beautiful, it's more beautiful than Shivangi's Manali, and I'm very happy to be in my Tanali. Yes, and Rohan said, okay, then let's explore your world. Yes, and she said that it's my best place to be, and this is the best magic carpet that I have. Yes, and both just moved from one place to another. And Tanya was so happy that in the whole magic wall, she just clapped her hand and she danced around the red rug. Got it? Yes? So isn't it Tanya's Tanali very beautiful? Yes. I think I myself got many visions when I was telling you all about Tanali. Even I felt like I'm in a magic rug. I can see mountains, I can see sea, I can see the desert. Yes, and even I got the smell of the beautiful pakoris, chaat, laddus, kheer, and what? Biryani. Got it? Okay, so that's we have in our chapter. How supporting Rohan was to his sister. Yes, so it's a very beautiful story. We all have our own imaginations, right? So it's better that you need to explore it. You need to just see what you can see with your own imaginations, right? Okay, so my dear students, in my last class I asked you all to find out the 10 hard words. Yeah, I hope you have done it. So in here we got few new words that we have already discussed yesterday, like chatter, then rug, storeroom, carpet, mountains, desert, sea, confused, explore. Yes, so my dear students, please read and learn the spellings, and also please check what do you mean by chatter, what do you mean by rug, storeroom. Got it? Okay, so my dear students, that's all for today. In our next class, we'll see in details about the new words what we had in here. I'll be asking you about it. Okay, and also we'll try to discuss the question answers of lesson number 13, Tanya Visits Tenali. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.